Welcome back to another FRED tutorial. My name's Josh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom objects in FRED using the Boolean operation. And as always, to start, we're going to select New Document, and we're going to right-click on the geometry folder, and then we're going to select Create New Element Composite, Boolean Solid. And this window is going to show up, and all we're going to do right now is select OK. We're then going to open the geometry folder, right-click on the element Boolean to make sure it's a child of the element Boolean. We're going to mouse over Create Element Primitive, and we're going to select Pipe. And from here, all we're going to do is change the length of our pipe to be 5 and select OK. And now we can see that our pipe is visible in the 3D view. And again, we're going to right click on the element Boolean. We're going to mouse over Create Element Primitive, and this time we're going to select a block. From here, we're going to change the X and Y semi-apertures to be 5 and our Z aperture to be 1. We're then going to append and apply a rotation about the Y-axis of 45 degrees. And then we're going to right-click Append again and apply a shift of 2.5 in the Z direction. After clicking OK, we can see that both the block and the pipe are now visible in the 3D view. From here, we're going to double-click on element Boolean. And from here, under the operation, we're going to apply our Boolean operation. So we're going to select pipe, and then we're going to select difference, and then we're going to append again, and we're going to select block. And this tells us that the pipe is now going to be subtracted by the block. Select OK, and here we can see we now have a custom element using the Boolean operation. And there you have it. As always, CBS is here to guide and support all FRED users, and keep an eye out for more videos.